Hello, everyone at Green Crew Cleaning Services. Hi, my name is Charles, Charles Marine. This is my website here. Let me go to the front page. I work with Wally Digital. We help local businesses grow organically. We do website design, SEO, social media marketing. Google ads and Facebook ads are what we do. That's me over here. Now I'm sending you this video because number one, Facebook showed me your business, and I think maybe it's a post that you made, or I'm not sure why they did, but anyway, I'm glad to have met you guys. I shoot these videos to give local business owners some advice about how to help them with their website, how to get more people coming to their page, so that therefore you get more clients. I'm into like Wally Digital. Like we say, we are into helping local businesses grow organically. We help you build your online assets so your clients can find you. Okay, so the three tips I wanted to give you for your website to help you rank higher and higher in Google. Those three tips are content, citations, and backlinks. So when it comes to content is everything that I've highlighted here in blue. All the pictures on your site, all the text, all the words, everything that you can see, this is content. Google reads this. So when someone searches for a certain keyword, for example, if I was looking for cleaning services in Philadelphia, let me search for that, cleaning services Philadelphia. Generally, 90% of people use Google to search for local businesses. 70% of those stay on this front page. So that's why it's important to be on the front page of Google, because these guys, trust me, and the ways you can look at it, I'm going to go into it in a minute. You can find how many people are searching this per month. And you can tell, like for example, this, I'm sure this is your competitor here, Evergreen Maids. We'll see how much traffic they get. So I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool out there, Ahrefs, and this can analyze how many people are searching for certain terms, keywords. So for this keyword, 700 people search for that every month in Philly. Then you can tell how many where the traffic goes. So you see 326 people go to cleanzen.com. 148 go to your competitors, Evergreen Maids. And we can analyze their website with this tool. This is their website. Yeah. However, we can analyze their website and see exactly which keywords they're ranking for, and make sure that you're also ranking for these keywords. These are the words people search for online. Philadelphia cleaning services, 200 people search for it online. They get 79 of that because they're in the first position. Cleaning companies, Philadelphia, 152 people search for that every month. They get 26 people coming because they're in the fourth position. So you can see for different keywords, you can get a lot of traffic coming to your website. And the thing about your niche is that when people are searching for house cleaning services Philadelphia, they're looking, they're what we call buyer intent. They're looking for that service and they want to hire immediately. So they're getting 105 people going to their website for that. So therefore, they're probably getting a lot of business, and that's where we want to get you to. So let's go back to your website. Now, the three things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content has to do, like I said, everything on your front page. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text, authoritative text, saturated with those keywords that I was talking about, the ones that people look for, so that it knows to put you in front of Google, in front of your customers whenever they search for that. Okay, so that's content. The next thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations has to do with this section here of the search results, and this is called the map pack. So whenever you search for something on Google, the first thing you'll see are Google ads. Right below the Google ads is the map pack. Now, the way to rank higher here, the way to get to higher and higher in this list, let's go to more businesses, and you can see that there's a huge list after these ads. You can see there's a big list of local businesses that are local to you. The way to rank higher and higher in this map pack is through citations. Citations are wherever online, in online directories, that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories. For example, in LinkedIn, in Yelp, in Dexnos, in Yext, in whitepages.com, in yellowpages.com, in superpages.com, etc. The more and more directories you're in, the higher your rank here. So I would advise you, as Green Crew Cleaning Services, I would advise you to get into more and more directories online. The third thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and that has to do with this section here below the map pack. So backlinks, if you think of the internet as a whole collection of web pages, a backlink is when one web page links to yours, directing traffic to you. So not all backlinks are the same. If Pizza Hut is directing traffic to you, has a backlink, Google sees that as different business, different niche, and it looks kind of spammy. They don't respect that. If a cleaning forum or a cleaning company links to you, a strong, a well-known cleaning company links to you, Google sees that as a stronger backlink. So it will put you up ahead in this section, the organic section. And this is where you want to be, because like I had said before, 70% of people will click on one of these one of these websites. Okay, so using the same tool, evergreenmaids.com, we can analyze your competitors' backlinks. They have about 624, so from 153 domains. This will take time, but it's possible to be able to beat them. So the job now for you, for your website person, for your SEO person, is to analyze their backlinks and make sure you have the same and more backlinks, higher and higher in quality, authoritative backlinks, and also in number. If I was you, I would beat them by maybe 50 backlinks. Now, your competitors have, let's go back again to the overview. They have 624. So it will take some time to reach them, but it's very possible. And as you're getting stronger backlinks, the higher you'll be ranking in Google. You'll go from the 5th page to the 4th page to the 3rd page to the 2nd page to the 1st page. Now, their backlinks from a scale of 0 to 100. If you remember, I talked about strength of backlinks, some are strong, some are not strong. A lot of theirs are not that strong. So you might not need 600. You might need maybe 100 strong backlinks. Now it's up to your website person. If you are going to use me, I would have to do my research and then find out which kind of backlinks should I help you with, give you, and then organically put them in so that you rise higher and higher and you get to the front page. So that's all I wanted to talk about, those three things: citations, content, and backlinks. If you want to move ahead with me, I am more than willing to help you. Again, this is my phone number here, Warley Digital. My email address, info@warleydigital.com. And my name is Charles. My picture, you saw my picture earlier on. One last thing I want to show you is something I designed recently. Basically, because I saw your website, I started to make a template for a cleaning website. I use this platform called Snaps, and I've made this very generic website. This is what it looks like on mobile. You can find, this is all generic. This is what it looks like in an iPad, and you have different menus. services, different services that you may perform. And all of this, you can change all of this. This is just what I've put here to begin with. And this is what it looks like on a computer. Now, obviously, I haven't put enough text here. I need 1,000 to 1,500 words, so I'm going to add this on. But I made this really quick just to show you that I'm capable of helping you with a website to improve your website if you want that. However, if you don't want to move ahead with me, no harm, no foul. That's fine. You can just go ahead and give this tips to you, whoever does your website and your SEO, and I hope that it'll help you get more clients by ranking higher in Google. We also do Google ads, Facebook ads, etc. So if you're interested in working with me, please get in touch with me. Otherwise, happy holidays and take care.